What is getting you really excited about the industry today? What's going on today? I know that's a little bit complicated. Let's just have a little bit of analysis conversation about the industry. Is it, crypto's up, crypto's down, stock market's up, inflation's up, down. So how does all of this and our ability to be able to move forward with blockchain affect? So how do those factors affect our ability to be successful in blockchain? What's happening in the industry today?
Well, so blockchain and crypto, right? They are tied together, but you can have blockchain without crypto. But cryptocurrency specifically, the market is it's been down. We all know that it's been down for a while, but companies continue to work with blockchain and blockchain technologies. And like I said, unfortunately, the market's down right now. But
hey, this morning, Gabe, it just shot up because of the CPI index and the employment numbers from yesterday, and so there was a little bit of a leap there. So
right, a little bit.
Yeah, it goes up and down, right?
In the long term, right? Yeah. We've got it's pretty much down right now, right?
Of course it is.
It is. Yeah. And so, but this, I find it as an opportunity. People always saying to buy when it's low, right?
Buy low and sell high.
But that does have risks. So I think that dollar cost averaging and just doing your own research on what's going on out there and knowing which companies are using what cryptocurrencies and what's being used in real world use cases, I think it proves a massive opportunity for anybody that's been looking at
and Gabe, one of the things that you and I always do is we're looking at the signs around us, right? Okay. Yep. We're looking at what's happening in the industry. Where are things going? What's happening? And one thing I can tell you for sure is that blockchain is taken off in aviation. All right. Mm-hmm. And the reason I know that is because we have so many companies that are evaluating it and are implementing it and are actually implementing real world production level solutions, right, surrounding blockchain and aviation. So that's a sign. All right. Yep. It's just not going away. People are implementing that technology. Now, from the financial world, you and I have talked this week about a few other things happening out there in the last few weeks, that tell us that, hey, maybe there's some growth coming in the near future in the crypto and financial world. What were some of those things that we talked about?
We briefly touched upon how BlackRock is now working with partnering with Coinbase. So yep, institutional investors are going to be able to, I can't remember the platform, Aladdin, but they're going to be able to invest in different cryptocurrencies now. And we've got a few other things that I don't know. We had like a $3 billion Bitcoin buy the other day.
There was an anonymous buy, I think yesterday. Somebody bought $3 billion worth of Bitcoin, I think yesterday, anonymously. And that was like 144,000 or something, Bitcoins. And so, and then, Warren Buffett, right? Warren Buffett, he had invested in a DeFi bank in South America previously, and he doubled down and he doubled his investment. And he
was a naysayer.
Yeah,
he was always a naysayer.
He always said, he said, I wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin in the world for $25, I think is what his quote was. All right. Okay. Something like that. All right. So anyway, what I'm trying to tell you is that we need to look at the signs around us and what's happening, and don't ignore what's happening in the world. We see companies implementing it. We see growth. And even though you might hear, oh, it's down, it's risky, and only less than 20% of the people in the United States are engaged in cryptocurrency, it is growing. There's just no question about it. Blockchain is a foundational element of where we're going in the future.